Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you'll gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, it's TradeFront.
Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing excellent out there today. Wanted to bring you in here for this short-term sell position I have going on the pocket option platform here. A relatively short-term position, just looking to capitalize on this downward momentum here. So I will also go ahead and cover a couple reasons why someone may want to short the market, or in this case enter a sell position for their binary options trades. Shorting the market is a strategy in which a trader sells an asset, such as a stock, with the expectation that its price will decrease. This is the opposite of the more common strategy of buying a security with the hope that its price will rise, also known as going long. There are several reasons why someone might want to short the market. Number one, you can profit from falling prices. Shorting allows traders to profit from a bearish outlook on a particular asset or the broader market. If they correctly anticipate a price decline, it can make for a fantastic short-term profit scenario. Also, you can use shorting as a way of hedging against market downturns. Investors may use short positions, or in this case a sell position on a binary option, as a way to hedge against their existing long positions. By shorting, they can offset potential losses in their long positions if the market or specific assets they hold decline in value. It's also just another great way to diversify your portfolio holdings. Shorting can be a form of diversification. When most of your portfolio consists of long positions, adding some short positions can help balance your risk exposure, particularly in volatile markets. Overall, shorting can be a speculative play as well. Some traders short the market or specific assets purely for speculative purposes. They might have a strong belief that a particular asset is overvalued or poised for a significant price drop and hope to profit from this decline. Investors and traders interested in shorting the market or entering on sell positions for binary options should have a good understanding of the risk involved and consider using risk management strategies. And in this case for binary options, we are just taking a sell position which mirrors the act of shorting a stock or a different asset, but without the unlimited risk exposure that traditional shorting has. So we are capped at our total profit or loss amount here when shorting on the binary options, which also makes it for a more simpler strategy and a more risk-defined strategy as well, which is why I like to take sells using a binary option. Be sure to check out the resources in the description below if you want to learn more about what strategies I like to use when approaching my binary options trading. The educational package is where I cover in a multi-video series exactly which different technical analysis strategies I like to combine together to create key areas of confluence for perfect storm trading entries when trading binary options. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program as well, where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade between Sundays and Thursdays, 5 nights a week. If those sound good to you, be sure to like and subscribe for more and check out those resources down below. And I look forward to trading with you. Be sure to stay safe out there. Catch you next time. Peace.
Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you'll gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, it's TradeFront.